Hello guys, welcome to the channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the Moto H40 Neo, and this is the Indian Flipkart retail unit of the Moto H40 Neo, and this is the 8GB 128GB variant in the Pantone Canal Bay, which is a theme color of the Moto H40 Neo. So guys, let's start off from the unboxing. So guys, so here is the phone. So let's put it over here, and let's see what else we are getting over here. So here we are getting a case. So this is a case which we are getting, and then we are getting the Moto H40 instructions and some paperwork, and then we have the SIM ejector tool, and then we have the adapter over here, and it's 68-watt turbocharge, and then we are getting USB type C to type C data cables. You can see USB type C to type C data cables over here. So this is the phone. So let me, okay, and wow, let's remove this gently. Oh, look at that color, guys. Oof. Again, it's written 50 MP OIS and all. And oh, wow. Let's quickly look at the physical overview. So we are getting the volume plus and minus, power button, and on the bottom we have the speakers, mic, and USB type C, SIM injection, and then it's written Dolby Atmos along with mic, and yeah, that's it. So let's boot up and do the engine setup. Anyways, the finish on the back looks real. The vegan leather finish looks really cool, and especially the color also. So let me show you the fingerprint scanner. So in 3, 2, 1 and go. So you can see rapid first. Once again 3, 2, 1 and go. Once again 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, it works seamlessly. Now let's quickly check the face instructions. So let me lock my phone, and in 3, 2, 1 and okay, it's taking a bit of a second. Once again 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, just a half second delay. Not an issue. Once again. Okay, not that fast, but it's definitely fast. And now let me show you the camera UI. So starting off, we're getting the slow motion, and we can record either 240 fps or 120 fps. Next is the video. So starting off, we are getting the macro mode even in the video, and then we have the 0.5x, 1x, 2x, and maximum we can go up to 6x, and then we have the portrait mode which is available in the video also, which can only record in HD mode. So if you switch from HD to FHD, it automatically disables. Okay, you can see. And now along with that we have the stabilization mode. You can see the stabilization, and along with that we can have the horizontal lock. That means if you rotate the phone like this and take a video, still now it would be stable. That option is also available. The maximum you can record up to 4K. And next we have the photo mode, and along here we are getting the macro 0.5, 1 and 2, and maximum you can go up to 8x in the photo. And then we have the night mode, a night vision mode available, and then we have the portrait mode, and you can select the so 24mm, 35mm, or maximum 50mm. And we have the pro mode, which can manually adjust the aperture, white balance and all, ISO levels also. And we have the sport color, night vision, panorama, ultra resolution, that means maximum resolution is 50 mm mode. Then we have scanner, dual capture, it means front and back camera at the same time. And then we have the photo booth, which option which makes use of 4 photos in just one frame. And then we have the time lapse, then sport color and dual capture in video also. So these are the options which is available over there.